Did you know that aluminum beverage cans and bottles are reborn nearly every 2 months? Yes, aluminum packaging has an interesting life cycle. Did you know that one can could be reproduced an infinite number of times? This is because these aluminum gems are endlessly recyclable. They can be melted and reprocessed over and over again and still maintain their quality. Even better, recycling aluminum saves 95% of the energy it would have taken to make aluminum from a virgin source. So join us as we look at the green and sustainable part of the life cycle of aluminum packaging. In the US, about 46% of their aluminum is recycled, making it the second most recycled material. At that rate, however, the US is quite low compared to other countries. This is bad because if you throw away an aluminum can, it can take between 200 to 500 years to break down in a landfill. Recycling aluminum packaging reduces carbon dioxide emissions and the amount of waste headed into landfills. So go ahead and crush that can into various shapes, or even better, start a recycling program at work or in your neighborhood. You will see that can again in about 2 months. So how are cans recycled? The aluminum cans are collected from the bins or collection points and are then crushed and baled and sent to a recycling plant. The cans are sorted to remove any garbage. They are washed as they have to be clean for the recycling process, and the cans also go through decoding, which means the removing of logos and all artwork from them. The cans are then put into a furnace at 730 degrees. That furnace is then tipped, and the liquid aluminum inside is poured into a mold called a casting pit. It is cooled down and made into ingots, which vary in size from plant to plant. The top and bottom of the ingots are then cut off. Before they are flattened and rolled into coils, they are scalped, which makes the sides shiny and removes any impurities from the surface of the ingot. The aluminum coils can be 60 miles long, which is why they need to be coiled. Here's another fun fact. There is a difference between the alloy used for the body and lid of a can. So normally they are separated. 3104 aluminum is used for the can body, and 5052 aluminum coil is used for the lids, which are actually called ends. During production of aluminum cans, these aluminum coils are fed into a cupping press, which stamps out aluminum shallow cups. These cups are then put into a series of rings to form the cylindrical plain cans. The cans are then cleaned, painted, and filled with liquid, but that process is for another video. We can now welcome back the cans that started this recycling process 2 months ago. Welcome back, cans! Together we can recycle more of these aluminum gems and bring them back to life again and again. We can save energy and the Earth's resources. So you can see that recycling cans is a major contribution to making our world more sustainable, and that is the only important incentive. So join us to create a more sustainable future together.